Safety and first aid. Highlights of the lesson. Safety rules. First aid. Many rules are made for our safety. If we follow them, we will be safe at all time. We must learn to take care of ourselves and others. We can do this if we are careful in our actions. We should always follow the safety rules to avoid accidents. Accidents are caused by being careless. Accidents can hurt or injure us for a long time. Different accidents can lead to scrapes and scratches, while other accidents can result in broken bones. Injuries take time to heal and get better. It may happen anywhere and at any time. We should be careful so we can avoid accidents from happening. We can do this by being cautious and thinking before we do something. There are many safety rules and procedures that will help us prevent accidents. Do you know? Put your head back when you have a nosebleed. Safety should be followed. We should follow rules and regulations to be safe in many places like on the road, while swimming, owning a pet, at home, by safety measure during festivals, in the car, in the school bus, while playing, walking or cycling at night, on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Have you seen the black and white zebra crossing on the road? They are meant for crossing the road. Before crossing, look to your right, then to your left, then cross the road. Remember, never run while crossing the road. Walk to the right side of the road if there is no footpath, so that you can see what is coming in front of you. Cross the road only when it is clear of traffic. We must look where we are going. Otherwise, we may bang into someone or something. The path may be uneven or may have obstacles. We may fall down and get hurt. Cross only at zebra crossing, traffic signals, subways and foot over bridges. In the cars, always wear a seat belt. Never disturb the driver. Cell phones can also take your focus away from the task at hand, arriving safely at your destination. Avoid driving when you are tired. Be aware that some medications can cause drowsiness and make operating a vehicle very dangerous. Infants should never ride in the front seat of a vehicle that has a passenger airbag. While swimming, never go alone for a swim. Go along with elders who know swimming. Do not swim after meals. Do not go towards the deep end of the pool. Use a swimming tube if you need one. Learn to swim with an air-filled rubber tube, so that you may not drown in water, and use tubes in the first few weeks. In the school bus, stand in a line while waiting for a bus. Get up from your seat only when the bus reaches your stop. Get in or get off a bus only when it has stopped moving and do not disturb the driver. Do not put your head or hands out of the windows of a bus. Don't jump into or jump off a moving bus. Wait for the bus to stop. Don't push each other while getting into a bus. Don't lean out of the window of a moving bus. Never travel on foot board of the bus. While playing, never play on the streets or roads. It is dangerous to play on the road. You can get hurt. Do not run across a road trying to catch a falling kite. Play in the playground. Play in a safe place like a park, a playground, or a garden. Ride your bicycle only in a park or in quiet lanes. Play only safe games. Play with proper toys. At home, don't play with electric wires or sockets, broken switches or plugs. You may get an electric shock. Ask an adult how to use them. Always use them in the presence of an adult. An electric shock may cause death. Don't play with fire or matchsticks. You may suffer burns. Don't play with sharp objects, blades, scissors, medicines, screwdrivers, or broken glass pieces. You may suffer cut wounds. Do you know? Butter could make the burn worse and make treatment by a doctor more difficult. General safety. Climbing on balcony walls, water tanks, and terrace walls, etc., is highly dangerous. Many accidents take place due to it. Leaving our toys, shoes, bags, etc. all over the floor can be harmful. Running around the house, classroom corridors can be harmful to us and others too. Opening or closing the doors suddenly can cause harm to a person on the other side. First aid. The treatment given to an injured person or an accident victim before he/she is taken to a doctor is known as first aid. Even if you are careful, you can get hurt sometimes. Do not get scared if someone gets hurt. Immediately call an adult before going to doctor, and we should do first aid. First aid is the medical help given to a person in need of it. First aid is given before a doctor treats the person. Only a person who fully knows about first aid can give it. By studying it, we can help others. We can start learning about first aid by keeping a first aid box at home. It must have clean bandages, cotton, a pair of scissors, iodine, Bernol, adhesive tape, and commonly used medicines. The box should be kept at such a place that it is easily seen. It should be within easy reach. If the injury is deep and serious, your elders will take you to a doctor. Let's recall. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Do not walk in the middle of the road. We should walk on the footpath. If we follow safety rules, we can avoid accidents. Play in parks, playgrounds, or in your garden. Do not play with sharp instruments. Do not go alone for a swim. We should not play with things like electric wires, knives, pins, and toasters. Do not get down from a running bus. First aid is the treatment we give to the injured person before the doctor comes. Glossary: injure, damage to your body. Scrapes, skin wounds that rub or tear off skin. Scratches, damage on the surface of the skin. Bridges, a structure that allows people and vehicles to cross over an open space. Destination: someone or something is the place to which they are going or being sent. Drowsiness, feeling more sleepy than normal during the day. Assessment: 1. Answer the following questions. 1. How can we save ourselves from dangers or accidents? Answer: we can save ourselves by being careful, following rules, wearing helmets and seat belts, and listening to adults. 2. Mention some safety rules that you should follow in daily works. Answer: always look both ways before crossing the street, wear helmets when riding a bike, do not touch sharp objects, and always wash hands before eating. 3. Why are zebra crossing made on the road? Answer: zebra crossings are made on the road to help people cross safely. Drivers must stop when someone is using the zebra crossing. 4. Write 2 safety measures you should take while swimming. Answer: always swim with an adult or lifeguard nearby, and don't go into deep water if you cannot swim well. 5. What should you do before crossing the road? Answer: before crossing the road, look left and right, listen for cars, and only cross when there are no cars coming. 6. What is known as first aid? Answer: first aid is the help given to someone who is hurt or sick before a doctor can be seen. It includes things like putting on a bandage or helping someone breathe if they can't.